to another video on my channel. It's your girl Diamond Alexis, and if you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. In this video, we're going to be doing like a post-work routine or like day off with me. I don't know what I'm going to title it, but basically it's just a routine that I do after having to work so much at the hospital. I just need to give time to myself and unwind. So that is what we're going to do in this video. And if you're interested, please keep watching and don't forget to comment down below what your routine is and if we have the same routine. So first things first, I am in the bathroom because I did just finish working out. I like to keep a workout routine throughout the week, preferably 4 to 5 days a week, because number one, mental health. Number two, just being healthy. I feel like it's an important part of everything, like physically, and also if you're working, like if you're stressed, you can be stress free. It really helps. Like, I promise you, get into a routine of jogging or even just walking 30 minutes a day and see how good you feel and see how often you want to do it. Like, it will literally become a healthy addiction to a certain extent. So the first thing I do is go ahead and take my towels and put them in a towel warmer, because I like for my towels to be warm when I'm out of the shower. All right, let's go ahead and get into the scent. I did already pre-choose it, so we're not going to go to my vanity beauty room area and go through all the perfumes and lotions and stuff. We're just going to go with what I already chose. This is one of my, like, I would say, like, faves that I always gravitate to. Sorry if the lighting is bad, but basically this scent combo is what I always gravitate to. So I want to put you on because I know you're going to like it too, especially because of the scent profile and the notes. So let me show you. All right, so first off, the lotion of choice is going to be the Fenty Skin Body Vanilla Dream, the butter drop lotion. This is very, very good. You don't need a oil, but I love to do an oil. This gives you like a nice shine, but I'm extra, so I am going to also have an oil with my combo. So these two I use interchangeably depending on like my mood or like the scent I want to go for, even though they are like really close. So this is Puff Society by Brown Sugar Babe, and then this is Sand and Fog Marshmallow Skies. And so this is gonna piggyback off of this pink blush perfume. Now this is, I have the K Alley Bougie Yum Yum perfume, but this is like literally the same thing, but it, in my opinion, they both last long, but I feel like this one is more, I think this one is more potent than K Alley, and I really like it. And I got a lot of compliments when I first bought it. Like, as soon as you walk by, somebody's gonna ask you what you got on. So I will definitely link this in the description box if you're interested in looking at the notes and getting it. But I think for today, I'm gonna go with Brown Sugar Babe Puff Society, because I feel like this would really hit the notes, and I may add them to the screen. But yeah, let's go ahead and get in the shower and get fresh. Another thing in my routine after work that I do is get a cute like sleeping outfit. And so I have this cute dress with the back out. I'm gonna show y'all when I get out the shower, because I want y'all to get like the visual so you can see. And I got it from TikTok shop. Like, TikTok shop be having some cute stuff, y'all. Like, you just have to really just look, or just, you know, perfect your TL. I will see y'all in a minute, and we'll get more into the routine and basically get this house together, because you know, when you're busy at work and you come home, you don't want to do nothing. That's how I've been, because I'm working 4 shifts this week. I don't know why I did it. I don't know, but I'm getting through it. 3 shifts in, 1 more Saturday, and then back to 4 again. So yeah, delusional. All right, so now that I'm out of the shower, let's go ahead and tackle this mountain of clothes that is behind this camera that I'm going to show y'all. This is atrocious. So we're going to go ahead and fold these clothes. One thing that I like to do is go ahead and have another load washing as I'm folding, so that when it's time to dry it, I can be putting up the clothes I folded, and then I'll have another load waiting for me to fold. So I try to be smart about my time when I'm doing these things, because time is of the essence, and I'm working 4 shifts, so I only have like 3 days off, and I want to make the best of it and get things done. Okay, so let's go ahead and fold these clothes.
2 for 10. Not bad.
Yeah, let's do it. All right, slight intermission from the cleaning vlog or like the nurse routine. So we're at Goodyear First Fridays, and now I'm gonna try like the beignets in a box. I don't think I've ever had beignets before, so I'm very excited to try it. I just see that they have like different flavors. I thought there was only one flavor of beignets, y'all, but we gonna see. We gonna see. Let's see what they got. We got our popcorn. This is so pretty.
Nice.
I know, that's cute. It's Friday. Excuse me, sorry. Okay, vlog, I'm breaking the sweat, but slight intermission to get groceries, and then we'll get back to the cleaning.